Good morning, everyone. It's March 22. Welcome back. We are going to have a remedial period today. That means there's not going to be any new material. We're just going to go to Learning Path in the course website. It's called Camillo. Let me just go ahead and click Switch to Student View. So you're going to go to Learning Path, and you are going to work through the different items in there one by one, and you will be contacting me immediately when you get stuck on something. Just send me a quick email and I'll be more than glad to help you with a video conference, a private video conference, or I will create a video for everyone and I'll post it for you. So for now, just go through those items one by one and email me with your questions. Now, here's an example of a question that I'm getting. It's downloading Linux. Downloading Fedora. So the first thing we need to do for that, I'm just going to do this as an example. I'm going to go to Google search engine. I'm using Chrome right now. I recommend you use Chrome as well and not Internet Explorer because it makes it a little bit easier when we're all doing the same thing. And I'm going to type exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for Fedora 13. It's an older version. Download, and I want the 64-bit version. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a search for that. And I see the first link here. I see Fedora 13, and I see 64-bit. Never mind what the 64 means. We're going to learn that in our hardware course. Let's go ahead and click on that. And I want the largest file that I see here. I see the largest file is this one right here, 64 bits. So this is the difficulty that some people are running into when downloading. You click on download. You have this window that appears. Now, where's it downloading to on your computer? It might go to this folder here called Downloads or Documents or Pictures. Actually, it's downloading to the last place that you downloaded, wherever that is. Here's my recommendation. Click on Desktop. Come over here where it says New Folder. Click that one and just create a folder there. Call it Module 3. Okay, we're in older operating systems. Remember what the name of the folder is and remember where you created it on the desktop. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to save my program to that location. Okay, so it's very important to know where you're downloading your file. Now, this here, okay, this is a very big file. In my case, it looks like it's going to take more than 40 minutes. It could even take a couple of hours depending on what your internet speed is. But when it's done, you'll see a little arrow there. And if you want to go to it, well, it's on your desktop. You can find it. But from here, you can just click that arrow, select Show in Folder, and it will take you straight to that file. Now, it's not downloaded yet, so this here is just a temporary file. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to wait for Fedora, or you should wait for Fedora to be completely downloaded. So I hope that helped. If you were having difficulty downloading Fedora, again, you need to know where you're downloading it to. So for the rest of the day, we're just answering your questions. We're going through different assignments and we're going to be solving them together. So good luck, everyone, and have an enjoyable day. Oh, one more thing, I need to mention it. Very important. Attendance is mandatory. It is being audited by the government. You need to be logged on to the course website from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, both Saturday and Sunday. So please remain logged on to the website and email me with your questions. Thank you.